Habit 1. The posture power-up. The first and fastest way to look more attractive has nothing to do with your face. It's your posture. Studies show that upright, open posture is subconsciously linked to confidence, power, and status. Slouching is linked to weakness. It's that simple. This isn't just stand up straight. That's boring and you'll forget. Here's the 2-minute drill you do every morning. First, stand against a wall. Your heels, your butt, your shoulders, and the back of your head should all touch it. Feel that? That's a neutral spine. Now take 2 steps forward and hold that position for 60 seconds. Your body is now memorizing the muscle memory of power. Do this every morning. It takes just 2 minutes. Why does this work so fast? Because before you even speak, your body has already spoken for you. It says, I am here. I take up space. I am confident. You will get noticed. Therefore, you're already ahead of 90% of guys. But here's the problem. If your posture makes them look twice, but your face is a mess, you've already lost the battle. Which leads me to the most important habit of all, the one that will clear up your skin and transform your face in just 7 days. Habit 2. The 2-minute face reset. Let's talk about your skin. Oily, shiny, broken out skin is the #1 thing that makes a guy look like a boy, not a man. You don't need a 12-step routine, you need consistency. This is so simple, it's stupid. Every night, without fail, you will do this. Step 1. Wash your face with a basic salicylic acid cleanser. Massage it for 60 seconds. This unclogs pores and kills the bacteria that cause acne. Step 2. Apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. This hydrates your skin without making it shiny. That's it. 2 minutes. Every night. In 7 days, your skin will be clearer, less oily, and healthier. I guarantee it. This works because you're not just covering up the problem, you're solving it at the source. Clear skin subconsciously signals health and good genetics. It's a non-verbal cue that you have your life together. Now you're standing tall, and your skin is clear. But if you walk out of the house in a stained hoodie and baggy jeans, you're sabotaging all your progress. Which is why the next habit is about building a style that gets you respect without you saying a word. Habit 3. The 3-piece wardrobe hack. You don't need a closet full of clothes. You need 3 core pieces that fit you perfectly. A good fit is 100x more important than a fancy brand. Here are the 3 pieces you will get in the next week. 1. A well-fitting neutral t-shirt. Not too tight, not a tent. The sleeves should hit mid-bicep. 2. A dark, slim-fit pair of jeans with no rips or excessive fading. 3. A simple, classic crewneck sweater in a solid color. Mix and match these, dark jeans, gray tee, and a black sweater. Instant, clean, put-together look. It signals you have taste. It signals you care. Your clothes are your armor. When you know you look good, your confidence skyrockets. And confidence is the most attractive thing you can wear. So now, you look the part. But the moment you open your mouth, everything can fall apart. What if I told you there's a way to speak that makes people, especially girls, lean in and actually want to listen to you? Habit 4. The vocal command code. A weak, mumbling voice screams insecurity. A clear, confident voice that commands respect and attention. This isn't about having a deep voice. It's about having a present voice. You're going to practice this one thing, slowing down. Most guys get nervous and talk too fast, their words jumbling together. Your new rule is this: breathe, pause, then speak. When someone asks you a question, don't just blurt out an answer. Take a half-second breath. It makes you seem thoughtful and in control. Then speak about 20% slower than you think you need to. Enunciate your words. This alone will make you sound 10 times more confident and intelligent. Your voice is a tool. When you slow down, you project control. You sound like a leader, and people are naturally drawn to leaders. You've now mastered the outside. The posture, the skin, the style, the voice. You will look and sound like a new man. But there is one final habit, and this is the most important one, because without it, you're just a well-dressed statue. This 5th habit is the engine. It's the difference between getting a second look and getting a phone number, and it's probably not what you think. Habit 5. The outcome. Indifferent mindset. This is the climax, the one thing everything has been building towards. Right now, when you talk to a girl you like, you're probably needy. You're focused on the outcome. Will she like me? What should I say? Don't mess this up. That neediness is a stench, and girls can smell it a mile away. The habit is this: shift your focus from getting her approval to giving a good experience. When you talk to her, your only goal is to have a fun, interesting conversation. That's it. You are indifferent to whether she likes you or not, because your self-worth isn't on the line. How? Before you go out, get one thing done that makes you proud. Finished a workout? Nailed a work project? Helped a friend? You carry that pride with you. You know your value, so you don't need her to validate it. This is the ultimate cheat code. When you stop trying to get something from her, the pressure vanishes. You become relaxed, funny, and authentic. And that is magnetic. That is what actually gets you girls. You are not ugly. You are just missing a system for how you carry yourself, a system for your skin, a system for your style, a system for your voice, and most importantly, a system for your mind. This is the 7-day glow up. This is how you become the guy who doesn't just hope to get the girl, but who the girl is excited to meet. You have the blueprint. The only question is, do you have the discipline to execute it? Now let's say you've done all this. You're glowing up. You start talking to a girl and you get her number. What do you text her? How do you keep that attraction burning through the phone so she's excited to see you again? That's a whole new game, and I've got you covered. In my next video, I break down the exact texting method that makes people addicted to talking to you. The messages are so good, they'll be waiting for your text. It's waiting for you on the screen right now.